A level playing field. Drop the ball. Get the ball rolling. Go the extra mile. Hit below the belt. Hit the ground running. Jump the gun. Keep your eye on the ball. No pain, no gain. On the ball. Out of left field. The ball is in your court. Throw in the towel. Throw someone a curveball. Win by a landslide. Ballpark figure.
Love English? Love fun? Then hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson.